Yeah, we got a 2012 bike check. Starting off with the frame, it's a Haro 200.1. It's his frame.
Hi.
See the stem is the Haro stock stem. Look at that sexy ass stem. The Haro bars, the zebra bars, the purple ODI grip with the ODI bar end. The Haro Zebra 4. Alright. This faggot. What kind of tire do you got?
It's a Kendicon tire.
It's a Kenda tire with the Haro rim, I think. What is it? I don't know, you say it.
It's a Wyman 520 rim.
It's a female. The cranks are the Haro stock cranks. They're 100% chromoly.
Chromoly.
It's chromoly. Dumbass. Haro sprocket. KMC chain. Matsu pedals.
That motion.
Another one. And the seat is the Haro that we just traded. And I'm happy.
With a Sunday seat clamp.
Yes. I traded it. I don't know the back rim.
The back rim is another Wyman 520 rim with a what kind of Quando
A Quando hub.
hub with a 9-tooth driver.
Most people like to hear the hub sound, so
There you go.
and the bike weighs 23 pounds. Pretty good.
Yes.
Boy.